wholeness, wellness, and balanced vibrations to all beings. I'm here with you today in the midst of blessed springtime and Mother Nature, amidst chaos and hysteria in the outside world. Today, I would like to offer my little part in what's happening around the world, a contribution of some things I use in my skill set every day. I'm going to be pulling techniques from Tai Chi, Qigong, and yoga, and some meditation, and offer you some healthy, natural symbolism to help bring us all into alignment, make sure all of our cells are glowing in vibrancy, in their natural splendor, aligning our centers of awareness or consciousness. Some people call them dantians. We also have chakras. We're going to just naturally bring all these things into synchronicity wherever you are. So, if you're in a house, if you're quarantined, if you're near some nature, I would like to invite you just to kick off your shoes and connect with nature in some way. If you can't, then keep nature, keep the feeling of vibrancy and health within your heart. Today we're going to do a small practice, just an energetic tune-up, some gentle breathing and stretching exercises that I like to use, I like to teach to come into ourselves, our beautiful, wonderful, holistic selves. So with our practice today, we'll be utilizing principles, which is far more important than any art form specifically. So we're going to be using the principle of Tai Chi, or the principle of opposites moving harmoniously and synchronistically together. We're also going to be using the principle of Hatha, or sun-moon coming together to intermingle with each other. All these different things will help bring about a balance, a presence, a wellness and balanced vibrations to all sentient and all non-sentient beings in the world. So with this offering today, no strings attached, no reason why anyone can't join in. It'll just glide and fit right into any of your practices. Use it, be well, be happy. Namaste. So first, you want to find your feet about shoulder width apart. Find some steady ground. My ground may be a little unsteady, but I have years of practice. I'm grounding into the earth, connecting with the water, the earth, the air, and the inner fire to bring about a balance. So as you find your feet about shoulder width apart, make all your joints soft, and focus into an area we call the dantian, or the chamber. So this area is about, if you place your thumb at your navel center, fingers together, point downward. Right in the center is an acupuncture point called the Chi Hai, or the Sea of Chi, that leads right back into a orb of consciousness. It's called Dantian, Hara, Tandan. These are all different names for the same place. We have three of them. One's here at the heart center, and one's here at the third eye center. So for today, our initiation will be mostly from the lower dantian at the navel center. This is going to move the energy up through your ether, out through your physical and your workings of movement throughout every day. The heart center, we're going to clean it. It's a gateway. Be an observer of the emotions. Don't initiate from this place, but just observe them in action. The upper center, when we connect with that, you're generally tapping into a connection with the higher region, a higher intuitive self. So for today, we're going to observe the movement at the higher intuitive self. It's going to sit and rest there and then flow back down in synchronicity with the other two dantians. But this chamber right here, is our money place. This is the place of initiation. This is the place of abundance. We're going to breathe from here, initiate all movement from here, and emulate a young child breathing. If you ever saw a baby laying down on his back, they breathe from the center. The center dantian moves up and down. You'll rarely see a child go unless something's wrong. So move from the center, be at the center, be centered. Just tap into your natural awareness. Find your joints soft. Open the spaces at the armpits. It's like a creek. If your arms are down, it's like tossing rocks or streams in the creek. And you're not going to be able to have a free flowing stream. So all the streams and meridians and nadis in your body, we want to just open back up and be free so that we can perceive and be aware of what's going on. We can perceive the mundane things and the higher things. There's certainly a lot of decisions that we have to make, especially with coronavirus and COVID-19. We want to be aware of all of our decisions and how our body and our consciousness resonates with those activities and that mindset. All right, so let's start to breathe. Breathe from the center. Take 3 breaths. Into the center dantian. Breathe in awareness around your body and within. Shift your awareness up to the skies or the heavens or the sun, and imagine that the energy is streaming down through the center to meet the feet. So you're just making a top-down connection as you breathe with your head pointed upward. Shift your awareness down. Inhale up from the earth, the blessings of Mother Earth. Earth meets the sky, like yin and yang. Come back to the center. Turn your head to your right, which looks like your left if you're mirroring me, and ground into the right foot. Just take a few breaths here. And then switch to the other side. Breathe across. Maybe bend the right knee a few times, like you're just bringing the energy down and grounding it here. And come back to the center. Dantian moves back, shoulders forward, open the back side. So even though the front side closes, the back side opens. So breathe through the back side. Bring the dantian forward, open the front side up. Beautiful, yes, this is easy. Feels great, open. Dantian back, shoulders forward. Dantian forward, shoulders back. So in the beginning, we're going to move the dantian physically, like we have a physical orb, and the rest of our joints are like planets rotating around, mimicking the celestial order or string of pearls. You move this center pearl, every pearl moves, and just find a flow. Arrive back at the center. Inhale your shoulders up. Exhale, down, bent knees, kind of ground into the earth. Inhale up. Exhale down. Observe the space between the head, neck, shoulders, and ears. Let the shoulders down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale down. Good. Inhale, shoulders up. Move forward. Now rotate the center so that it produces like a spooling energy moving out throughout the rest of the joint. So we're rotating the shoulders, but the whole organism is interactive, connected. Now, Juan means switch. So I like to fall into some Mandarin when I feel it's appropriate. Mandarin is the mother language of this Tai Chi and Qigong that we're bringing to you today, along with some yoga, some Hatha interspersed. So with the spooling of the center, going back, bring the hands up, inhale, and exhale slowly out, ground into the earth. Good. Inhale like you're carrying the sun. Exhale down, lower the knees. Inhale, carrying the sun. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. So as you find your center, switch positions. So make the change from the center. Notice I'm not manipulating my hands before my center. My center flows out into the periphery. Inhale. Exhale. Two more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And lightly grasp the left wrist. Move your center to the left. Your hands will go left. Breathe through the left side. Arrive back into the center and Juan, switch. Move your center to the right. Your hands will go left. Once again, yin and yang in every movement. Just breathe so you're not yanking on your hands. You're just creating a crescent arc through the manipulation of the center. Come back to the center. Grasp the fingers, steeple the forefinger, bending the knees. Inhale, expand from the center. Feet go down, hands go up to the stars. Exhale, soften over the crown. Inhale. Exhale into the heart space. Inhale. Exhale above the crown. Inhale. Exhale into the heart space. A few more. Inhaling up. Crown. Inhale. Palms together. Stream down from the sky to meet the earth. Inhaling back up. Yin and yang, Tai Chi. Now shine your mind like a photocopier. That means shine a light moving from top to bottom, clearing out any cell, any stagnation, anything that doesn't serve you. Give it the opportunity to flow away. Inhale up. And seep into your heart. And here, let's offer up a collective affirmation. Whatever that means for you, offer up something healthy, well, vibrant. The world needs it now more than ever. Throughout the practice, with every exhale, we're going to charge this affirmation. Emanating from our heart, through our mind, rooted in our chi in our center. The chi, the energy, the prana, call many names. Let it flow, in and out, and in harmony with all. Inhale, like you're filling every cell with your affirmation, your positive vibration, and your breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Very nice. Find your center and guide your hands forward. Inhale, like you're breathing through your palms. Exhale, relax back in. Inhale, breathing into the center. Exhaling back. Inhale, exhale. Flower your hands out to the side from the center. So it makes like an infinite 8 or an 8 turned on its side. So breathe in and release. Just flower out. Find a central wave moving out from the center. Inhale up, hold up the sky. Now rain the hands down. Like let the hands come down like rain. Scoop up. Let the chi evaporate as it moves back into the heavens. Rain down. Like the natural cycle of water through our biosphere. Inhale up. Rain down. Feel your awareness in natural equilibrium, natural cycle. Hold up the sky. Bring your center forward as the weight moves to your forefoot. Lighten your heels if you can. Keep the center steady. And lower down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Hold up the heavens. Lighten the heels. Release down. And when your hands get a bit 2 inches lower than your shoulders, bring the center back. Dantian back. Open. Breathe through every cell. Dantian back. Collect. Cultivate. Inhale. So breathe naturally now. Just whatever comes naturally. Preferably in through the nose and out through the mouth in the beginning aspect of the practice. Inhale, and on the last one, pull in slowly and make a left palm, crescent moon, right fist, sun. So you bring your hands in, holding the chi, embracing the chi, the essence of Hatha, a yogic principle of sun moon working in perpetual balance, just like yin and yang. Bring this balance and brightness, this mingling to the heart space. Open the palms. yourself a mental affirmation. Bring chi to the center. Be centered. Whatever resonates with you in your language. Take one more breath at the Dantian and then release, keeping all the joints soft. Turn to your left, which looks like your right. Inhale like you're going to capture the sun. Turn from the center and release down the center line. Turn. Inhale. Turn. Exhale down. Turn. Inhale up. Turn. Exhale down. One more time. Smoothly turn. All the joints, all the spheres accommodate the motion. When you get back to my right, maybe your left, change direction. Inhale. Turn. Exhale. Turn. Inhale. Capture the sun. Exhale. Turn. Inhale. Turn. Exhale down. Flap into the earth. Inhale up. Tap. Down. Turn. Up. Tap. Down. Turn. Up. Tap. Down. Turn. Up. Tap. Down. Turn. Inhale up. Hold. Take a breath in. Find your feet. And then release and shake off like you're casting mud from your body. Turn the center. Keep the arms loose. So all these movements are meant to dispel stagnation and send a gentle wave out through the body. So keep to the center and move your hands so that your front hand taps your shoulder and your back hand taps the kidney and liver energetic regions of your body. So you just move in your center. Find the Dantian, find the center, open your arms, so turn to your right, and give a light tap, like you're patting yourself on the back. Your other arm will touch the center between your lats and your obliques, so your back, or like the wings of your back, and your side body. And then release, open, tap, tap, tap. If this upward movement doesn't serve you, then you can just let your arm gracefully move upwards around this area right behind the head. Come back to the center. Now move the Dantian so that it produces a wave going up your spine, which will allow you to clap forward like an eagle opening its wings. So notice I'm not clapping my arms, I'm manipulating the center, which flows out into my arms. So the next movement I do, I like to coin the Michael Phelps, because he does it better than anyone else. If you've ever watched him before he gets into the water, Michael, if you ever see this, you're the best. Like downward flapping. So he always does these mighty flaps. Pow, 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 pow. But we're not going to do it with that type of energy. We're going to gracefully flap down and inhale back up. Release. Release. Just mind in the center. Just observe the upward and downward waves. emanating from the center of your body. Last one. Inhale up. Like you're going to breathe right down from the clouds, right down from the sky. Now find your center while you're breathing and sweep the arms. So this is called sweep the sacred grounds. So whatever that means for you, sacred grounds, you could think of a temple or a church sacred grounds, your backyard, someplace you hold dear, or maybe even your body. Give your body a good sweeping. That's certainly what we're doing today, a realignment and a sweeping of the cells. And inhale when you get back to your left, maybe your right if you're mirrored. Now, if the weight is in your back leg, then you're receiving the chi energy. If it's in the front leg, you're more spiraling out to connect. So first, we'll spiral out to connect. Loop, brush down. Inhale up. Loop. Inhale. Exhale. Lu means roll back or roll down. And one more, weight on the front side. And now we'll transition to weight on the back, like we're receiving a spiral coming down through the center and connecting with our foot. Left foot, right hand. Yin and yang. Lao Gong, Yong Chen. Both of these points exit and receive energy. So keeping the body open, embracing the energy down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Now take your top hand and turn it to the sky. Your left hand, turn it to the earth. So now you become a conductor of chi or a conductor of energy, just like a battery. All right, plus side, minus side. Pull from the center back to equilibrium. Inhale, up the other side. So for me, it's right heaven, left earth. Exhale back to the center. So my awareness emanates up. And I'm stretching and I'm looking through my tiger mouth or my hukou, the area between your forefinger and thumb. Exhale. Inhale. Awareness upwards. Exhale. So we're balancing both the lines, positive, negative, Ida, Pingala. So once you get to this point now, turn your head over your shoulder, looking to the back. So now my eyes, you'll notice, are pointing down. So this is more earth center. Exhale. I follow my upper hand and then I turn back to the earth. Give my inner organs a little twist here. Keeping the shoulders down. Inhale up. Head over the shoulder. Exhale. Inhale. Head over the shoulder. Now, mind on the center, not the hands. Pull back your awareness right here. Alright? So we're going to inhale and exhale. And we're going to move into a different aspect of the exercises. We're going to give ourselves some light taps and awaken our inner healer. Alright? Whether you're a martial artist, a yogi, any type of artist, any type of person who uses their mind, body, and spirit, whatever it is, dancer, athlete. We're going to breathe through the ground and clap like we're awakening the chi in our cells right here, bringing it up to the skin. So our inner movement. Notice I'm not clapping with my hands, using the whole body, pulling it through the wave. I'm just counting in Mandarin. Sometimes I slip into it. Now take your hands at the end and give a light but brisk rub to both sides, like you're bringing some heat, some circulation, some bioelectricity, some friction to the surface. Now take your hand, which is my right to my left, and brush down. You see I'm still bouncing, like I'm pulling up from here and brushing out. I'm pulling in, brushing, palm up, Juan, or switch, palm up, cup your hand, tap up the body, around the shoulder girdle, switch, tap, 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 switch, switch, and just shake off. Alright, so we're going to move down to the lower aspect of our limbs. Alright, so lightly grasp the elbows just like you would if you're touching something magnetic. So you're not going like this, you're just embracing it. Find your center, use it as a counterbalance. Alright? Inhale with a flattened back as you go down. Exhale. When you find your resistance point, just release, release. Shake the head and neck, the jaw open. Inhale, flatten the lower spine. Exhale, release. Inhale, flatten. Exhale, release. Inhale, flatten. Exhale, release. Cup the hands, tap up the front side. Around the belt meridian or the daimai to the spirit gate in the back, down the back side. Inhale up, same cupping movement. So you're breathing up and down the spine with integrity the same way as we did our forward bends. Now Juan, switch. Inhale up the back side. Through the Mingmen, or the spirit gate, to the Dantian, the front chamber, the elixir field, down. Inhale up. And down. Very good. Slowly inhale up. Take a breath. Just feel where you are in space. Take a breath into the palms, like you're going to ignite everything that heals within you, and brush down, up on the outside and down at the knees. So notice I'm using my whole body once again. San, Tzu, Wu, Liu, Qi, Ba, Huan, or switch. Now rotating the other way. So if you rotate this way, generally, you're dispersing the energy. So if your knees are heavy and swollen, this is a good way to disperse the energy. If you want to tonify or you're having a weak knee type of day, bring energy in and down this way. So if your knees are weak, this. Swollen, heavy, this. Alright, find your center. Rotate to your right, my left. Now notice I'm not moving the knees. I'm moving my center, which moves the knees, and I even get a little brush out of it as well. Good, and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Inside knee circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Outside knee circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Inhale up. Take a breath. Alright, so find yourself back at the center. Alright, we're going to really Qigong or work the Qi foundation. Alright, we're going to breathe into the center like it's a sun, S-U-N. Breathing in through every cell, in through the nose, out through the mouth. This is a cleansing breath. It's also like stoking the fire within. So if you're a yogi and you want to take Ujjayi Pranayam here, that's available. I like to keep the mouth open here in the appropriate space. Filter in, expel out. Each breath getting longer and deeper. So we normally take about 8 breaths here. Breathe into the Dantian and expand out a little bit past your skin into the aura field, or the field of energy around you. So next breath, inhale. Retain at the top for 2 seconds. Exhale. Retain. Inhale. Retain. Exhale. Retain. Inhale. So when you retain at the top and bottom, all the magic happens between the breaths, the transition between inhale and exhale. It's not just directly inhale, exhale. There's a transition. When you tap into that quietude, that tranquility, then your mind often sees with clarity. So at the end of the next inhale, retain. Sink like you're sitting in a high bar stool. Flatten the lower spine here. If that means tucking the hips to you, then do it. Not everyone likes to say that, but draw the energy down into the earth like their roots grabbing. All right, spine is straight like a trunk of a tree. Hold the trunk of the tree. Zhanzhuang. This is also called standing post position. Allow your shoulders to rest neatly in their sockets. Elbows down and out like a huge pyramid. Alright? Tongue now on the roof of the mouth behind the teeth. Like if you say the word tut, like King Tut, wherever your tongue lands is where it's supposed to be. Now you're just watching the breath into the Dantian. Chin slightly back. Spine straight, climbs to the heavens. Steady the eyes, steady the gaze. If the eyes move, the mind moves. If the mind moves, the Qi moves. You want the Qi down like you're a straw, a vessel, a trunk, touching the heavens and connected to the earth. Release the jaw, open the forehead. Let your skin hang like it's wet clothes on a hanger. You just watch the breath into the center for about 8 breaths. In the beginning, this may be very fast. In the end, or no end, later on, as your skill increases, each breath becomes longer, deeper. Nature becomes still. Your nature becomes still. So keep the palms up. Keep the palms cultivating the chi. Keep the elbows down and out. Space at the armpits open. So you're going to let your hands down, and right where you feel something, this is an important move here. When you're parallel with the earth, you stop. For some people, maybe here. For some here. For some, it's right away. But right when you feel like a resonance, a magnetism coming off the earth, that's where you want to stop. All right? Find your center. Draw into the earth and chi shi, or inhale up. Send the chi up. Find that space between the breaths. And exhale down. Find the space in between the breaths. Harmonize with the breath. Inhale up. And exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. 3 more, just like that. Like a wave of energy moving up. Some people like to imagine they're shaking out a sheet in the air. Some like to draw the wave right up through their body. And arrive in Wuji, which is like the formlessness before creation, the quietude before form, stable like a mountain, quiet like the peak. Now draw your hands all the way up, like you're inhaling the energy right up, like you're going to connect with the skies, the heavens. Pull the energy down, then connect it going upward. We're going to transform into cranes now, beautiful, graceful flying cranes like the bird. All right, now pull down from the center. So in crane, you have a flexible spine. So if your head goes up and down in crane, your awareness is not in the head, it's in the center. Just observe it. If you want to express it and go down and pull up, you can. If you just have movement right here, you can adjust each pose. This is forward flapping crane. Inhale up. Turn your palms out and just gracefully glide down from the sky. Inhale. Exhale. We'll just do a few of these movements just to open up all the meridians of the body. One more as you glide down. Inhale your hands up to about 2 inches lower to your shoulders and flap forward, opening. Maybe touch both sides of the park or both sides of the room with your energy rooted in the center. One time and pull it back in. Very nice. Now change this flapping to the same type of flapping, but stay inside of a chi sphere or like a bubble, like you're flapping inside of a bubble. Just expanding outward through your crane wings. Turn the palms down like you're massaging the earth, returning some of the energy back to the earth. Good. Now spiral your hands in, small finger to forefinger to thumb. And now we'll S-curve. In, out, thumb up. Same type movement, but opposite direction. But expressing out more. Palms down. Now spiral the hands in and out. Open, just in the opposite direction. Mind in the center. Good, now grab like you're going to take a drink of chi. S-curve it down. Pull up the backside. S-curve it down. Pull up the front side. S-curve it down. Up the back. S-curve it down. Bend the knees. Take a mighty flat inhale. Crossing at the top. Crossing at the bottom. So this is a great expressive, great crane takes flight. Inhale up, take a light hold, flow to the right, flow to the left, back to center, release, flow to the left, flow to the right, center, release. Flow to the right, down on the left, around, inhale up, release, flow to the left, down on your right, round, inhale up, release. Good. Next movement, thumbs down. Pull up from the earth. Release forward like you're pulling up energy through a well, coming up through your body, arcing the energy back in perpetual rhythm, back to the earth and back up. Just a natural stream, a natural well-like upward movement of energy. One more. Nice. Pull the energy up. Find your small finger. Open. Like you're going to sit under the sun. Lift the sun. Take the energy down through the head, down through the spine to set back into the earth. Arms around, pull up. Open, lift, hold the sun, set the sun. Good, so wherever the sun is, the moon Good. Now this time go to the rear, through the heart, through the dantian. Shine around like your hands have lights coming out of them. Shine into your lower back. Bend your knees and push like a tiger pushing a mountain. Inhale. Exhale. Push. So this might be right here for you or anyone else. Adjust each movement to your own personal skill set, your own personal feeling. Shine in. Now go down behind the legs. Hands still shining. When your hands pass your knees, bend the knees, scoop up like you're in a power pose, holding the earth or sun, placing the sun back in the sky. Microcosmic orbit going through all the cells, behind the head, through the wind pond, heart center, around. Shine down, bend the knees, inhale, exhale into the earth, lift the sun. One more time, back down, through, down, in, scoop, lift. This time, take the energy and come towards the front side, towards your third eye, like you're going to splash your face. Frame your face, sit in the lotus, like the petals of the lotus open right under. Come through the heart, center, open. Flap your arms down, palms together, bend the knees, scoop up from the earth. Pull up the backside in the opposite direction. Inhale, exhale, sit in the lotus, shine the light, come back up through the wind pond, over the crown, arc into the third eye, frame, inhale. So this is more of the yin path, pulling the energy up from the earth. The other one is more a sundown solar path. So eventually you make your own needs to what your body's calling for. Last time. Back into the center, back into the dantian. Grateful for the practice. Inhale up. Exhale down. Push your hands back. Lift your heels. Take an inhale and exhale. Let your heels down. So don't crash into the earth if you don't feel comfortable. Don't crash into the earth actually at all. Just let your heels down, grounding, just connecting that charge back into the earth, making all the chi, the prana, the mana, the pneuma, whatever you call it, the ki, making it useful in your daily practice. Come back up to that Janzhuang. Open. Still stay cultivated. Move your arms. E R Sun. After 3, arrive back at left palm, right fist as you embrace, affirm, salute the presence of the sun and moon at the heart space. You salute your balance. what you can give to the world. Affirm your vibration, your health. Open your palms. Rest back in your dantian. Whenever you see a statue or some type of artwork with their hands in this presence, they're drawing energy into their center, their core being. Affirm that chi is here. Affirm, be centered, be well. Use your chi, use your energy for whatever creative purpose you have, whatever healthy purpose, whatever well purpose. Be a wonder, be an asset to our reality. Release the hands back to the earth. Inhale up. Yin Yang, making Tai Chi. Pull the Tai Chi principle, pull the Hatha principle into your heart space. Remember that affirmation you made in the beginning. If you're motivated to make a new one, make it now, or carry your same affirmation with you until you decide to make another one. The divine in me salutes the divine in you, so that we know that we are all one and not two. Namaste. Harmonious blessings to all beings on this planet and all planets. Be blessed, be wonderful. I'm Hassan. Have a wonderful journey.